Hi guys, and welcome back to the AMCrypto channel. I'm here on the 1 hourly chart. On the 4 hourly chart. So, and Bitcoin is still going here lower and lower to the downside. So, and I want to show you why I am actually not concerned about this. I found an interesting fundamental reason why we don't have to be concerned at all, and why this downwards move here will pretty soon, and as soon as already next week, might be actually over. So, but before I go into the chart, guys, don't forget, if you enjoy these daily Bitcoin updates and altcoin updates, please go and subscribe to the channel and also activate the notification bell so that you will never miss one of these videos. So, and thank you guys for all the comments yesterday. Some of you still wishing me well, so I'm now well finally again, but I will wait with the gym. I will not make the same mistake again. So then let's get here straight into the charts on the 4 hourly chart. So we have formed here a downward trending resistance line. So that is holding us down right now. So Bitcoin has to break above this line that we can actually move back here to $66,000 approximately, because from there we will create a new all-time high. So, and that is the level to watch right now after we broke here this downwards trend line in Bitcoin in the immediate short term. So, and when we also have a look here on the daily chart, and we're looking here on the visible range, so then you can see here the Bitcoin price is right now, so let me make this away, getting closer and closer here to the $62,000 level, so which is on the daily chart the next bigger level of support based on the volume profile. So, and there is a chance that we will get down here to test this level once again before we then see a move here back to the upside. So that would be actually not that bad, because we see that our upward sloping trend line is actually lining up with the volume profile. So if we would come down, we would touch this most likely and then get a bounce back to the upside. So the only thing that concerns me here a little bit when we're looking now on the 4 hourly chart, here we can see the same. So also the point of control on the 4 hourly chart is here at the $61,000 level. So if we would lose that, it would be really bad, because right now the bulls, they're technically still in control as long as we are above that red line here. But once we're losing that red line, then I can tell you, then we would drop directly all the way down, most likely to 58 or $55,000 approximately. So, but now let me show you why I'm heavily bullish on Bitcoin exactly right now, and why I think that this downtrend here that we are experiencing right now in Bitcoin might be rather sooner than later already over. So, and for that I go first of all in the weekly chart. So, and I want to point out here something, and that is from October last year until April this year, we were here on a massive run to the upside. And now we get to the point that I wanted to show to you guys. Look at this here. So here we have the Bitcoin long-term holder net position change. So in the last time when holders were starting to sell, let's have a look what date that was. See here something what I just pointed out. So by the end of October, people starting to sell, long-term holders starting to sell, but look here what the price did. Here's the price line. The price started to rise higher and higher while long-term holders were selling more and more until April. And look here where the price topped in April. So now, and that's the interesting part, now we are starting to get red candles again, which means long-term holders now starting to sell into strength. So, and strength means the price goes up, and we should expect something similar what we have seen here last year October. So if we would expect something similar than last year, so last year we did all the way from there, we can have a look at the chart again. So we went from here, from $11,200, let's say $12,000, all the way up to $65,600. So if we now measure this, so I said let's take it more or less $12,000 all the way to the top. So we are talking here about 4.4x that Bitcoin made here. So now if we go and would say, okay, now we are forming again these red candles. We just started this week. So, and we say from here, let's say from where the price is here, we go up now the same amount of percent, 4.38. So more or less, it's more or less the same amount. So that will put Bitcoin to a price of $335,000 according to the long-term net holder change chart. So if history would repeat itself, then we would see Bitcoin topping out at $335,000 approximately. So, and that is actually on the higher end of my target for this cycle. So my target is it's quite a big range. It's from 160,000 in the worst case to 350,000 in the best case. So, and this would actually line up what we see here with the historical data. If that would repeat this time around again, then we would top out around $335,000. So, but what does this also show us? So this shows us that we should have now a multi-month uptrend here in Bitcoin. So, but I want to also point out something else here. So you saw here that when we came to the peak of selling, that we saw here also a downwards move in the price for a short period of time, for like 2 weeks, and then we moved up again and moved to the all-time high. So what do I believe where this is going to happen? So I believe this is going to happen exactly here, around $100,000. There I expect a massive sell-off, and then I expect a massive move to the upside. So because $100,000 is a super, super high psychological number for people out there, also for me personally, and a lot of people will looking to sell at $100,000 because it is a round number and people like round numbers and to sell and to buy at round numbers. But obviously in this case, they will like definitely to sell at this round number. So I expect there at least a 20% correction to $80,000. And from there, a little bit sideways action, something like a double bottom, something like this, and then a continued move here to the upside. So something like this is what I expect. So don't be scared on these little moves here in the immediate short term here on the 4 hourly to the downside. In my opinion, Bitcoin will have a big turnaround here in the next coming of days and start following what we have done already in the past. So, and now let's have a quick look on my positions. So they're looking not that great right now, but you guys, you know me, I have here always full transparency. So here on my Bybit account, I'm 0.18 Bitcoin down. So, but like I said, I expect here a turnaround, but I have here also an order placed to buy close to my liquidation price to increase my position so that I will not get liquidated even if we drop lower here. So my Ethereum position is here half Ethereum in profit more or less, 18.6%, and on Phemex my position is still 66% in profit. So guys, and if you also want to trade on these exchanges, there's still an amazing sign-up bonus and deposit bonus on both platforms. On Bybit, you still get $3,600 in bonuses, and on Phemex, a $1,600 bonus. You just have to sign up, to register, sign up, and deposit a little bit of money there to claim your bonus accordingly. It takes only 15 seconds, guys. So now let's get quick here into Ethereum. So Ethereum might be forming here a new falling wedge. So I want to here now have a quick look also on the volume. So you see here we had here a volume spike. So and since then the volume is gradually declining. That's what we want to see in a pattern like this. So but there is a lot of weakness right now. in Ethereum. So the next level that I would watch here, so the next level where we could drop to based on the VPVR. Also here I want to show you this. So we are right now breaking into the last higher bar that we have here that is giving us support. If this bar breaks, then we could go all the way down to this bottom here to $4,330 because here is a gap in the VPVR. So, and you see here, so now if I take this away, you see it's a little bit better. So there you see this. So if this candle gives in, then we have a void all the way down here. So because here is no real longer bar in the section until this one here. So, and yeah, that will be then the next level of support. So, and this is lining up also with the 0.786 level on the Fibonacci's. So that would be then the next level to watch if we lose now the 4,500, what is it here? $4,580 level approximately. So definitely watch out for this. So, but obviously we can trade this. So, and guys, if you want to trade this, either wait for a breakout above 4,664 and trade this up all the way to the golden ratio at $4,827.45. So, or if we are breaking down here, so if we are dropping here out at $4,500, then you can trade this in a short position all the way down to $4,344. So because in my opinion, we will go most likely then all the way down to this level if we break it down. So that can give you here a 3.77% trade to the downside. So with 20x, it's 73% that you can bank here really quick on this Ethereum trade. So, and to the upside, it would be, if we're breaking here out, a 4% trade. So that would be 86% on a 20x leverage. So then I want to go quick here into Cardano. A lot of people have asked me about Cardano, so I want to give you Cardano really quick. So Cardano was also trading here in this falling wedge, and yesterday we broke out of it. So now we are back testing support here. So let me actually draw here a line. So that is absolutely fine as long as we can keep the support. So it could go down here all the way to $2.3, $2.4, $2.2 is the line sitting. I was looking at the price. So I hope that the next candle would here push back to the upside and that Cardano keeps now moving here. So, and then we could go all the way up to the technical target here of this falling wedge at $2.39 more or less. So, and how I would trade this, so I would wait for this candle to close here right now, and when the next candle starts out in green, that would be the moment where I would get into a position. I actually will take a position myself at that moment. It will be just a small one. So, and trade this then here to the upside into this resistance zone. So if we would break down here, I would actually not trade this because there's so much underlying support down here. This can go down to $1.91 approximately. So that would be like not even a 10% move. So that would be a really, really small move. Yeah, you see a 5.5% move approximately. With 20x, it would be still 100%. So, but I would not risk that. It could bounce so quickly back up that the risk is not worth it to try to short this here to the downside, in my opinion. Then let's also have a quick look on Solana. So Solana is still trading here in this broadening falling wedge here to the downside. So this is, in my opinion, now confirmed that this is a broadening falling wedge to the downside because we have now multiple times tested here the bottom of it. So also here we got a nice bounce back to the upside. So, and now I'm closely watching the $232 level because that is also now a major resistance level. So it was a major support level, so that held us up here the whole time in this upwards trend here. So, and I just see here something, so here could be a head and shoulders playing out right now, regardless that we are here in this broadening falling wedge. So if we are not getting a bounce to the upside here and break here back above $232, we could go all the way down to $203 approximately on Solana. So I would still wait here a little bit. So, but if we are breaking, let's say, under $223, from there I would most likely short this. So $223, because this is here a nice trade that is 8.45%. So on a 20x leverage, even a 10x leverage would be 85% more or less. On a 20x, 175% to the downside. So, but again, right now we are in an uptrend. So, and you know, the trend is your friend until the end. So I would not trend in, not short in a bull market. This can at any given time snap back up and then you are wrecked. So I would not risk this. Then let's also have a quick look on XRP. XRP is also here still trading in this broadening falling wedge here. Also, this is in my opinion confirmed with all the touches here along the line. So, and also here to the upside, even with this fake out. So, and here we have to watch for a breakout, the $1.22 level, more or less. So before I would enter here a position to trade this all the way up to $1.30. So guys, and if you are an experienced trader and you want to take advantage of this upcoming volatility in this crazy bull market, then go to Bybit or to Phemex and use the link in the pinned comment below to claim your deposit bonus of $3,500 and $1,600. And if you do this, then send me your Bybit or Phemex ID either on Twitter or on Telegram, and then I will add you to my private Discord server where I send 1 to 2 signals per week absolutely for free, and also give all the entries and exits, and when I add and scale out of my positions live on this Discord server. If you're actually looking for a little bit more action and you want to join my paid signals service, then go also to the pinned comment below. The first link goes directly to my payment bot, to my subscription bot. There you can subscribe to my signals channel. We are killing it here, even with the moves to the downside. It doesn't matter, we always make money every day. So yeah, also take advantage of that. Guys, that's already the end of this episode. So if you also want to follow me on Twitter, then you can do this. AMCryptoAlex is my Twitter handle. Other than that, please smash up the like button, click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that you will never miss one of these important updates. And you know it, I will see you.